Ever wonder where that shiny silver coin in your pocket, or the sparkling piece of jewelry you admire really comes from? Silver's journey is far more dramatic than most people realize. Before it becomes a symbol of wealth or beauty, silver starts its life in the most unlikely of places, hidden far beneath our feet. Forget treasure chests. Silver's story starts deep underground, trapped in the Earth's crust where it waits for millions of years before being discovered. It's rarely found alone, usually hiding in ore deposits with metals like lead, zinc, and copper. These minerals form a tangled web, making silver even harder to find. Imagine searching for a grain of sugar in a jar of sand. That's how elusive silver is. Miners must sift through tons of rock just to find a few precious flecks. These dull, unremarkable rocks look nothing like the gleaming metal we prize. At first glance, you'd never guess they hold something so valuable. To get silver, we move mountains of rock for just a tiny reward. The scale of effort is staggering, and the odds are always against the miners. The journey is all about transformation. From worthless-looking stone to something dazzling. It takes science, skill, and a lot of patience to reveal silver's true beauty. Before it becomes a ring or coin, it's just part of a geological mess, waiting for discovery. Every piece of silver has a hidden past, shaped by nature and time. Extracting silver is one of the dirtiest jobs imaginable. It's tough, dangerous, and requires relentless determination. So next time you hold a piece of silver, remember, it was born in darkness, under pressure, surrounded by rock, and brought to light by human hands. Its beauty is a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. Every polished surface tells a story of perseverance and transformation. The process begins with a monumental task, getting that ore out of the ground. It's a battle against nature, fought with machines and muscle, and the earth never gives up its treasures easily. Every ounce of silver is hard-won, making it all the more precious. Silver's journey starts with mining. Massive open pits that scar the landscape, stretching for miles and reaching deep into the earth. These gaping wounds are the first step in a long, grueling process, or sometimes it begins in deep tunnels carved far below the surface where miners descend into darkness to chase veins of precious metal. Miners use powerful explosives to blast apart solid rock, turning entire mountains into heaps of rubble. The earth shakes, dust fills the air, and the landscape is forever changed. Giant trucks, some as big as houses, haul away tons of ore day and night, even though most of what they carry is nearly worthless stone. You might need to move a ton of rock, literally 2,000 pounds, just to find a few shimmering ounces of silver hidden inside. The ore then heads to a mill, where it's crushed by powerful machines into gravel-sized pieces, the first step in separating silver from stone. The goal is simple but relentless. Break big rocks into little rocks, freeing the silver bit by bit, making it easier to extract. Next, the crushed ore is loaded into rotating drums filled with heavy steel balls, which grind it down until it's a fine, dusty powder. This pulverizing is crucial. At this stage, the silver is still locked inside, invisible to the naked eye, hidden in microscopic flecks. Only by grinding the ore this fine can we hope to extract every last particle, ensuring nothing is left behind. It's a brutal, noisy, and relentless process. Machines thunder, metal grinds on stone, and the air vibrates with energy. But it's the only way to liberate silver from its rocky prison, a necessary step before the real transformation can begin. The real magic happens in the next stage, where science and industry combine to reveal pure silver. Let's turn this powder into a molten metal soup, and watch as silver finally emerges from the rock. The powdered ore is mixed with water and chemicals, creating a muddy slurry. Enter froth flotation. Chemicals stick to silver particles and air bubbles lift them to the surface. Worthless rock sinks, while a metallic froth, rich in silver, forms on top. This froth is skimmed off, separating valuable metals from waste. The result is a thick gray concentrate, much richer in silver than before, but silver is still mixed with other metals like lead and zinc. The water is drained, leaving a dense paste ready for the next step. We've come a long way from raw ore, but the real drama is about to begin. Now it's time for a trial by fire. Let's purify our silver. The concentrate heads to the smelter, where it's heated to over 1,200 degrees Celsius. Here, the intense heat transforms the raw material, breaking down the ore and releasing the metals trapped inside. The process is both ancient and modern, combining age-old techniques with cutting-edge technology. As the metals melt, impurities burn away or rise to the surface, where they're carefully skimmed off. What remains is a glowing, molten mix, mostly lead, with precious silver dissolved within. This is the first step in a journey toward purity. To separate the silver from the lead, we use the Parks process. By adding molten zinc, the silver bonds with the zinc and floats to the top, forming a distinct layer. This ingenious method revolutionized silver refining in the 19th century. The silver-zinc crust is then carefully skimmed off the surface. It's reheated so the zinc evaporates, leaving behind nearly pure silver. Each stage demands precision and skill from the workers, but to achieve true, exceptional purity, we turn to the power of electricity, ushering in the next phase of refinement. In electrolytic refining, impure silver plates are submerged in a chemical bath alongside pure silver sheets. This setup creates the perfect environment for purification at the atomic level. An electric current passes through the bath, dissolving silver from the impure plate and depositing it onto the pure one, atom by atom. Over time, the pure silver plate grows thicker, while the impurities are left behind. Impurities fall away as sludge settling at the bottom of the tank. These byproducts are collected and processed separately, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The result is silver that's 99.9% pure or even better, gleaming flawless and ready for its next purpose. From the fiery heart of the smelter to the precise control of electricity, every step brings us closer to perfection, transforming raw ore into a precious metal. Now our silver is ready for its final transformation, prepared for crafting, manufacturing, and artistry. From raw metal to something truly valuable, silver's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Let's see how it becomes the objects we know and love, treasured for their beauty, utility, and enduring worth. Pure silver is poured into molds, cooling into bars or ingots, stamped with weight and purity. These bars are the foundation for coins, jewelry, and more. At a mint, bars are rolled into sheets, punched into blanks, and struck into coins with intricate designs. For jewelry, silver is alloyed, shaped, and crafted by skilled artisans into rings, necklaces, and bracelets. Each piece is a blend of industrial might and delicate artistry. Silver's journey spans crushing, melting, chemistry, and craftsmanship. From a hidden speck in rock to a dazzling object, every ounce tells a story. So next time you see silver, in a coin, a ring, or even your phone, remember its epic transformation. It's a long way from dirt to dazzle. And that's the true magic of silver.